Hello guys, welcome to my new channel Career Shaper. So today we are going to learn Angular 6. So before learning, we need to install Angular 6 in our system. So for that, what we need to do, I have created a text thing. So those are the steps. So I will put these things in description box so you can get it there. First we need to install nodejs version 12. For that thing, what we'll do, we'll go to our, so let me put exit. So put sudo -i. So it will ask for your password as I have given earlier. It's not asking now. So go to your home, cd home directory with put pwd root. Go to like /home. So for me it's Disha, so cd Disha system name. So here we will install nodejs. First we will do a apt-get update. Done. Do a reset. Put this command in terminal, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. So it will install. It will download nodejs from official site. So done. It's asking for installing apt-get install -y nodejs. As we are in root user, so no need to do, just put like this. Done. Now we can verify that node be installed, right? Now we can verify npm -b, it's there, right? So do a reset. Next thing we need to install, step 2, install Angular CLI. In node 12 and 10 the npm by default will come, no need to install. So let's do the next thing, installing Angular 6. If you want to install Angular 7, then instead of 6 put 7, it will install Angular 7. If you want to install latest version, just remove this like this, so it will install latest version. So for our project for installing 6, so we will put Angular 6. It will be same for 7, only change will be instead of 6 there will be 7. So let's put enter. So it's installed, right? So how to verify, just do a reset, ng-version. So you'll get a interface like this. That means we have successfully installed Angular CLI. See, it's showing Angular CLI 6.2, node 12.18, and we are having OS 64-bit. So we are having other things we are not going to discuss now, we'll do that later. So do a reset. Next thing what we'll do, step 3, Visual Studio. So for my things, I have installed Visual Studio. I have already installed Visual Studio in my system. If you are having any other editor, then you can use that too. So I am for my opinion, it will be better if you go for Visual Studio because it's in Microsoft. So as we know, Angular JS is written in TypeScript. So in Visual Studio you have inbuilt those plugins added. So if you have any other editor, it will be not problem. So it will be also fine. So you can use that thing. So if you have any other editor, then you can skip step 3. If you don't have, just download Visual Studio from this package and then go to terminal. If you are a root user, then don't need sudo. If you are not a sudo user, then you need this. So just put this thing, it will install this package. Instead of -p, put dpkg -f. Next thing, we need to create a new repository. So I'll do before that, just cross check whether is there in directory. No. So Ctrl+Shift+V, engine UI, it will start installing. So again same thing, warning, no need to worry, it will work definitely. So we have to wait some time to finish installation process. Let's see. And then so it's saying that either git related thing, so no worry, just put a reset. So we put ls. Here we are having cd ui, put a reset, we put ls, it will be like this. Okay, so what we'll do next thing, we will run this. So we can do like this. It started building. Yes, it's completed, compiled successfully. So you can directly click here, or you can open your browser, localhost :4200, enter. Sorry, this is our UI. So this UI is by default provided in Angular 6. So this is in the first chapter of this tutorial. So in next chapter we will discuss how to coding. Also first we will analyze the folder structure, each folder, how to organize things in Angular. So this tutorial is related to only installation process. So for this tutorial, if you have any query, any suggestion, you can put in my comment box. Also you can subscribe my channel and don't forget to like my channel. Thank you.